Hey guys, Silver Game of Thrones, what's up? So I just bought a couple of pandas from eBay. It's not a new pandas, it's 2013, 2014. So I wanna share with you, and by the way, I'm doing my stuff, so you just see what I'm doing and how I'm doing. It's just new pandas, but like I always say, if you can go back in time, then why not? If you see price is relevant to you, everyone has his own price, right? So yeah, let's see these pandas. Looks legit to me. The capsule are curved. Everything looks okay. Yeah, I have my device to check, but so far what I see looks okay. Yeah, so let's run a test and see how they are first of all. So I have this pressure metal verifier in front of me. I already run it on power, so I'm going to check it now. Run. Okay, you see it inside the basket brackets, so it's a pure silver. It's a pure silver. 2013. Yeah. The pure silver. Okay, so far so good. So Panda has a lot of counterfeit, fake coins. So be very careful with Panda. Also, when you buy gold pandas, they usually go in, inside plastic. Never open this plastic. Gold pandas, it will be very hard for them to sell. Like originally they came, keep it this way. There are a lot of fake pandas, okay? So be very careful. China knows how to make fake coins. Yeah, so they are beautiful coins. I like it. So let's go a little bit to my stack. You like to see my stack, right? I also like from time to time. So this is another box of my coins. So let's see what we have here. We have here Britannia. I know a lot of you guys collect the Britannia coins. And I have them from, you see, it's already milk spot, start to develop. This is one of coin where I will show you how I clean this milk spot. It's not a big deal, trust me. You can clean it very easy. So this 2015, yeah, this is one of 2015. And this is 2016. Britannia, and 2017. You see how they changed the, the back, the surface, and make it like a lines. For my opinion, it's much better, 17 and 18, the same coins, and 19, and the last two I have. You see, they added this. The border, ornament. They added like ornament, the border is different. And this is the only change. So I'm not fan of these coins, but I do collect them. Like I cannot say, I have Britannia coined, because they are fun. No, they're not fun. They have the same design, but okay, I have them. Yeah, that like, I have this European Philharmonic, for 5-7 years. I have this, Krugerrand. I have it. Oh, Krugerrand, I like the first one. Krugerrand, yeah, the first one is proof. Wow, man, let's go. Crazy expensive. This is a proof, 17. Yeah, I bought it. It was cheap, like 20 bucks. Now they go like 50 bucks. And then 18 and 19 and 20. As usual coins. I do collect them, but I don't make a big deal from this, right? It's just the same coin. So it's not even I have, the Ukrainian and Russian coins, this in my collection, Archangel Mikhail, this one, and this is Russian Federation Yeah, you'll help me. I forget the name of this coin. Yeah. So, but today topic is about Panda. Okay. So let's move to Panda. You see, I have Panda from this side. So I have. So what I have Pandas? I have 2018. I have 2019. So I do collect Pandas. I like it. It's collectible. I have 2017 and 16 and 15. Yeah. So you see, I have this from 2015. This is 5. I have 15, 16, 17, 18, and 19. So at some point of time, they start to make a centigram. I'm not sure. I think this is from 15 years. Yeah, I believe somewhere in 15. You see, they already mentioned centigram. Centigram. You see, centigram, centigram. But in 2015, I think they did the change. Okay. So they did the change, and before 2015 it was 1 ounce, and these two coins which I bought, you see, is mentioned 1 ounce. You see, 1 ounce, 1 Oz, 999. Yeah, I like this coin even more than the latest coin. This is 13 and 14 Pandas. So that's what I always say, right? If you guys, see nice price and you can go back in history, then, why not to get? I pay like $21, $22. So I pay attention if you buy coin before, below $30, and you probably will be okay. Whatever is above $30, it's for me, last days, I'm very critical. Because let's say, I'll tell you, okay, these two coins go, let's finish with Panda. This going here, and I also have 3 Pandas, which is not from China. It's another Panda, I am selling them. Yeah, it is from England, I believe. I don't know even from where they are. It's like Chinese hieroglyph here, but it's 2017 Panda. I have 3 of them I'm selling. And I also have a couple of Pandas, 15 and 16 I got for a good price. I also selling them, 15 and 16. You see, I'm doing diversification, I'm selling like what I have in double, and I buy what I sell in single. So I want this collection to be complete. So what are we talking about? We are talking about prices. So I'll give you another example. So for example, this coin which I am selling, okay, because I have quantities of them. It was a time when I was buying like 5, 6 coin at once. For example, I left with this 2 Dragons coins from 2017. Man, they are beautiful coins. The price was also not cheap. It was like $30. But man, they're going like 50, 60 bucks today. So I was able to sell all of them. And this last 2 I sold recently on eBay, like 50 bucks a coin, like 100 going for a coin for 2. So this is what I'm talking about, diversification. You sell what you think is not relevant for you, and you buy some other stuff, kind of diversification. For me, it's only way to go down in price. I sell something more expensive and I buy something more cheap. It's like I am selling these 2 coins like $100, and I can buy 3 other coins for $30, or even spot price, 5 for spot price, right? So that's what I'm talking about. So yeah, this was a good year, They only started dragons, coins. And these coins were, today selling like 50, 60 bucks. But man, after this, they flooded market with all these dragons. And like, it's very hard today to, basically to even to think that, oh, I need to buy them. I'll give you another example. It's a restrike, Chinese restrike, dollar restrike, right? They're going like 30, 40, 50 bucks even, there are 6 or 7 coins, Chinese restrike. I'm not going to buy them. It will be very hard to sell them. Whatever is going up, above 30, 40 bucks, it's hard to sell them. Even these 2 coins, they are in high demand. It took me like 3-4 months to sell 5 coins. It's the last 2 I sold yesterday. It's like hard, you will be getting hard time to sell, okay? I don't know, in other country, in US it is. So like, I don't suggest to buy anything which is more than 30 bucks today. It will be very hard to say, or it's really nice coin, really collectible, But as I say, the Panda is nice and the price is good. Like I bought these 2 Pandas for $21, $22. you know, with combined shipping, and like it's okay price to me for a 5-6 years you know, collectible coin. You know, it's a premium collectible coin, you know, so you know that you will be getting your money back. So anytime what you do, guys, you know, you collect premium seal, you collect Julian, you always need to think like this: okay, I need money, so this box is going like bam, I close it and I sold it. Okay, don't be addictive. Don't be addicted to something, you know, you like and you collect. You know, be neutral, and this will help you. It's only help you down the road to get the best of the best and best collection and best coins, you know. Like, you always need to diversify, you know, you always need to do diversification, you know, to sell some coins, to access another coins, okay. Don't be like static, you know, like get something and forget, you know. You need to be dynamic, you need to sell and buy. Okay, so this was it, guys. You know, a little bit of my strategy, a little bit my collection. If you enjoy, please put your comments. You know, bring this notification bell, and you know, have a good day. Bye, bye, guys.